First of all, you have to open your picture editor and change the background to transparent. Then delete the existing text if you want system font. Click on text and here you have to type your channel handle. Now move that text to the center of the transparent background. Now click on style and bold the text. After that you have to add shadow and stroke on the text. Export the text as PNG. Open CapCut and add that text as overlay. Keep this text around the center of the video. Expand it till the end of the video. Reduce the opacity of the text and keep it around 40 to 45. Now the watermark has been added in the video. If you are interested in making mapping videos, then watch this video now.